Um, in the documentary Unwinking Eye, it's a television documentary program, Unwinking Eye, you meet with scientists concerning the interface between science and Buddhist practices such as meditation. However, you say that neuroscience is unable to truly understand the systems which underlie and integrate science and religious practice without understanding of reincarnation. If we as scientists are to explain phenomena from the perspective of physics, genetics, neurobiology, and so on, what are the major philosophical and systemic issues that have to be dealt with in the sciences in order to make sense of reincarnation?
Now here, firstly, I always keep my mind from my tradition, that's Buddhist tradition, from my tradition, how much I can contribute for well-being of humanity. Never thinking how to propagate Buddhism. Now, meeting with scientists, discussion with scientists, the main motivation, not seeking some kind of backing
Confirmation.
or confirmation from science. Simply sort of mutual learning.
Explore.
There are certain things which not that much detailed information in Buddhist science as far as material is concerned, matter is concerned. So very helpful to learn from them. Then science of mind is concerned, Buddhist or ancient Indian thought, quite rich. So we can able to give them some information, new information. So I always say, make clear, our dialogue is not dialogue between science and Buddhism, no, but science and Buddhist science. Buddhism divided three parts: Buddhist science, Buddhist concept or philosophy, Buddhist religion. So, about rebirth or salvation, nirvana, these things are Buddhist concept. Truly Buddhism. So, nothing to do with science. Science about mind, about emotion, and how to deal emotion on this conventional level. Like that. So when we reach now a certain sort of concept, then I usually say, oh, this is Buddhist business. And also some my Christian friend, or late, for example, late Father Wayne.
Brother Wayne. Wayne Teasdale, yeah.
He very much sort of showing interest about Buddhist practice. Of course, meditation, practice of loving kindness or forgiveness, these things. Yes, these are common. Then one day, he even, you see, showing interest about Buddhist concept of selflessness. Then I told him, this is Buddhist business, not your business. So there's different sort of concept. So everything mixed is not much interest. Like that. So like that. So our sort of dialogue with modern science is Buddhist science, not Buddhism.